Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Xochitl. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with all of my videos, whether it's beauty, lifestyle, and or keto, which I just updated my 4 months. That's 8 4 months on keto, so you guys can check that out. The link is in the description bar. But we're switching it back to a beauty today, and I actually had a June favorites video because I've been wearing makeup in June, probably the first month since like March that I've actually been wearing makeup, because there's been, restrictions have been lifted a little bit. You can kind of go out a little bit more, see people socially distance outdoors and stuff. So I've been taking advantage. It's been weird. It was weird the first day putting on makeup to like go see people. It was weird, but it was also kind of a great feeling. Also kind of tricky when you're wearing a mask. We're gonna figure that out. Let me know if you guys want to see a mask makeup tutorial, because yeah. But I want to talk about some of my favorite products that I've been loving using. They're honestly not too many, but I wanted to talk about what new products I've been loving, as well as what products in general, specifically this month, summer months, that I bring out that I just love and I've been loving. So first, let's talk about foundations. 2 foundations that honestly are my go-tos for the summer. I'm gonna need a new one of this one. The first one is the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Foundation. And I really wanted to mention foundations, even though I've mentioned these in the favorites before, but guess what? They're still my favorite. And especially my favorite now that it's gotten way hotter. I'm in Chicago, so it takes a while for it to get really hot. June, whoo, it's hot. But if you have not gotten the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Foundation, you need to. Mine is in the shade 220 Natural Beige, and this is usually around when I'm a little bit more tan. So if you're closer to my skin tone, this is usually my tanner color. I can still pull it off when I'm not as tan, but I think this is one of the first foundations that I really just gone through. And had I not been really doing like other makeup tutorials and other foundations to test out, I would have probably repurchased this like 2 more times. But this foundation is amazing if you have dry skin. I think it's amazing for all skin types. I've seen all different skin types use it, and their skin just looks impeccable. Like, I just love one. It's full coverage. I know, I love me some coverage, but it's not heavy feeling. It's great for when you're outdoors. Like, honestly, when I know I'm going to be outdoors and it's going to be really hot, this is one of my go-to foundations. Let's talk about the second one here, but this one is probably one of the most lightweight, surprisingly, for being full coverage. I just love it. I love how luminous it makes my skin feel. It just glides on beautifully with the brush, with the beauty blender, and it looks flawless, airbrushed in photos. Like, no matter what I use with it, it just looks amazing. So comment down below if you guys have purchased this yet, and if you agree with me. And if you don't, let me know what your skin type is. I can maybe see oily skin, maybe it being a little bit too oily, but try powder. I don't know. Let's have this debate down there. The next foundation, the one that I'm wearing right now, that I also just my go-to, is the Fenty Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation. Fenty just did it with this foundation. I was jealous for the Pro Filter foundation because it was no bueno for dry skin. But this one, ooh, just like, honestly, I don't even need, like, I have a little bit of face highlight. I don't even need face highlight. It just has, this one has more of a like just natural glow from within type of a thing. Like, ooh, like it doesn't even look like too much makeup. I love it. This one I have in the shade 280, also my summer shade. And as you can see, we are finally tan. That's actually my non-tan is tan, I feel like, but this is the color we usually normally are. So yeah, so we have tan. So 280, normally I'm around 260 in case you're around my normal, but aren't we all maybe a little bit tan now? I've been biking more too, so my arms and my legs still haven't caught up. I've been trying to wear shorts, but this one, once again, like the creaminess of it, I would say it's a little bit thicker than the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover. This is more medium coverage, this one's more full, so that's why I'm also wanted to mention both depending on your preference. I feel like, I don't know, don't make me choose. This is my high end, this is my drugstore favorite. I can't, I don't want to, no. Price wise, maybe I would just, do the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover, but if you want to try this one, ooh, I love it. And it also kind of comes with a pump too, so very, very easy to control. I love them both though. I feel like the Fenty, if you wanted to do a very minimal type of a face, just to kind of use a little bit of product, just to kind of spot conceal around, like a little bit goes a long way with this foundation. But so does this one. I don't know. They're both great. But I feel like you can definitely get that more natural look. Like I said, it has more of a natural glow. Two different glows, two very beautiful glows. I use them both for chill, because I love to glow when I have chill makeup on. Chill days and glam days. I feel like you can do both of these. But maybe more of a everyday look, probably the Fenty, since this one is more full coverage, but you just don't use as much product because a little bit goes a long way. I don't know. I love them both. If you had to choose, don't make me choose. If you had to choose Fenty Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation or a Maybelline, what would you choose? If they were the same price and you tried both, what would you choose? I don't want to choose. I'm going to make you choose. How about that? We'll debate. We'll debate in the comments. Next product, not a makeup product, not a kind of skincare, body care product. So who else has been needing a pedicure? Me. Who else's feet are like, you need to get the cheese grater to kind of, yeah, that was me. So I had a kind of like a foot, kind of like a file, but it wasn't as intense as the cheese grater one that they pull out when you go to get a pedicure. Who's had the lady pull out the cheese grater? I did. Ooh, I'm really bad with my feet because I like to walk around without socks on sometimes, and I feel like that's really, not good. But my feet were terrible. Like, it was to the point where it's like I would feel it like when I would kind of have my heel on the like bed and stuff, or like, it was just no good. Even like Frankie was just like, yo, and his feet are not. I was like, excuse me. But yeah, no, I was like, I know, gross. So I kind of had like the foot pedicure kind of thing, but it just was not enough for some reason. So I would try to do it, after the shower, just kind of like scrub it off, kind of buff it out a little bit, but it just, I don't know, I needed something more. And I remembered this is the Soap and Glory Heel Genius. I had bought this a while ago. I honestly never really used it. Maybe I had a pedicure at the time, didn't feel like I needed it. So I had gone multiple days with kind of trying to scrub the bottom of my feet with that little mini pedicure thing. I'll show you guys. It's like an old Revlon one. I was like, is the ridges like dull? Do I need a new one? Should I grab my actual cheese grater? And then I would put my regular lotion on it. And honestly, I just feel like minimal progress, but really not even. So one day after the shower, I didn't even scrub my feet with anything before. Just as soon as I got out of the shower, one, I was lazy, and then I just got out of the shower. I put this on. The next day, I saw progress. I was like, no way. Like, it just got rid of that dead skin. Like, it's a different type of, like, I don't know. It's like way thicker than a regular type of body lotion. I don't know what it is. It really is a miraculous, a moisturizing, a mix. It's crazy. I use it after the first day. I was like, whoa. So then the second day when I use it, I actually scrubbed my feet now with that pedicure, like little handheld pedicure thing, buffed it out, and then used this. And my feet have been beautiful since then. I was like, you know what? I don't need to schedule a pedicure because I'm paranoid. But I was like, you know what? I can paint my own toenails and stuff. Maybe eventually I'll go for a pedicure, but this thing is saving me so much money, so I don't have to, and or rather it's helping my paranoia, so I don't have to go into a salon. But if your feet are rough, if they're looking rough and their pedicure is a little bit too expensive right now, or you just don't want to do an actual pedicure, buy this. I got it. They sell Soap and Glory at Walgreens now. I think they used to sell it to Sephora. They don't sell it, but they sell it at Ulta as well. This was maybe like $7, no more than $10. Whew. After this quarantine, so worth it. If you have feet that are struggling, your heels are rough, get it. You won't regret it. Next product that I have been loving, I have mentioned this in a previous favorites, but this one, I think it kind of beat out a little bit my Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim, which is what I'm wearing today because I ran out. But the Milani Precision Brow Pencil, the color that I have is medium brown, and this medium brown shade is just like perfect for my hairs. I use the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim in soft brown. It works really well, but I feel like this color is like almost the exact color of my actual hair. Something about this pencil, I love the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim. I'm wearing it today. But the Milani one, like, it just doesn't even, if possible, an even better job of somehow, it's like a little bit more waxy than the Maybelline, which is what I love. The Maybelline's a good like mixture of waxy and kind of minor creaminess, same thing, but this one just has a little bit more where I just feel like I just love, maybe, what do you call it, the pressure of it, the consistency where it just paints those little hairs on most naturally, which is, I don't know. This is maybe like $1 or $2 more than the Maybelline one, which is only $7, but I love this one. I would have repurchased it. I actually just finished. It was the worst when you're trying to do your brows in the car and you have like no brow pencil left. But I was gonna repurchase this one when I went to Ulta because I had to return some things, and I was like, best believe I'm gonna get my money back. We went in, and unfortunately they didn't have it at the Ulta stores yet. Probably next time I go to Target, because that's, I think, where I picked it up. But the Milani Precision Brow, oh yes, get it. Next, lipsticks, my favorites. So a new favorite combo gloss in general, Alamar Cosmetics. So you guys have seen me use the Dulce lip liner. I made an Alamar purchase and I was gonna buy another Dulce lip liner, but of course they were sold out. COVID, get it. But I'm like, oh, I love it. This guy is being used, but I wanted to get their Mommy Spice Latte lip gloss. So the combo that I have on is the Alamar Dulce lip liner with my Maybelline Nude Embrace lipstick. Like, I don't know, I can't help it, I need some sort of lipstick. And the Mommy Spice Latte lip liner. I like to have a little bit lipstick. Depending what I'm trying to do with the lip, it can really kind of help manipulate the lip gloss. So I try to have something kind of neutral, lighter, so that this lip gloss can kind of stick out. If I feel like this lip gloss is maybe, or the lipstick is too dark and I have a lighter lip gloss, I'll go in with a darker lip and then lighter lip, you know, whatever you want to do there. But the Mommy Spice, I have been wanting this one. I have the Dulce lip gloss. I love it. I think I love the, I don't know, I might love Mommy Spice a little bit more. But Mommy Spice is like a peachy gloss. So it's like one of those glosses I feel like honestly just looks great on everybody. And it just looks different on everybody. So it's peachy. But I have it on my lips and you can see the peachiness, but it's not too overly peachy. It's just like a really beautiful natural peachy. This looks beautiful on deep skin tones, medium skin tones, really, really light skin tones if you really want to see that peachiness. But I've definitely been loving it with the Dulce lip liner. Usually I'll go in with my ColourPop BFF3, like a really dark brown liner, and then a little bit of Dulce because I'm extra, and then whatever light lipstick and a lip gloss. But for the Mommy Spice Latte one, I really just kind of want the gloss to kind of stand out with some definition. So I love, love, love this combo. I've said it before, I've never been much of a gloss girl, but Alamar Cosmetics glosses, I'm here for, I'm down for. I feel like they've definitely gotten me more into glosses. I will say, if you have the Dulce lip gloss and the Mommy Spice, I feel like the Mommy Spice formula, they might be the same, but I feel like the Dulce is a little bit thicker, maybe because of the color. But I think the formula and color of the Mommy Spice I really, really like. And I'm so mad because I made this purchase and they just launched another lip gloss, which is, I think it's their birthday suit lip gloss, which is a cooler tone pink, which I love those colors, as well as a lip liner. So I'm like, now I need to get that. I was like, oh, Alamar, you're making me go bankrupt, but so worth it. So hopefully maybe they'll launch something else and I can have a reason to pick that up, or if they have free shipping, I might just run it. Next is a liquid lipstick, because I love gloss, but I love liquid. I love a powerful color, but I also love my nudes. Don't make me choose either. But a lipstick that I have been loving, this is by the Lip Bar. This is a black-owned beauty brand. Ooh, and I love, 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 love this color. This is in the shade Hot. I don't know if it's be Hot Mess. Oh, look at this. If you need a color of the summer, girl. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at that. This is like, if you because you do need a hot pink lipstick in your collection, the Lip Bar. I love the formula. Also, for those of you who, you know, like to shop exclusively vegan friendly, Lip Bar was definitely a brand that started their line as vegan friendly before vegan friendly was like trending and a thing. So if you vegan friendly as well, but the pigmentation is amazing. The lasting power is also really great. I wore it all day, one of those days. I'll show a picture of me on it, or you should be following me on Instagram. Check it out. But honestly, because I was like eating and drinking, it was honestly just like the middle part, of course, food and stuff like that, where it kind of disappeared like any liquid lipstick would. But this color, ooh, and they have so many other just rich, beautiful, pigmented colors that I need more. You can order from the website, or actually some Targets, not all, some Targets do carry this line, so you can check out, I think maybe on their website or on Target, to see if your Target carries their lipsticks. Ooh, because yes, I am in love and I need more. They have another red hot pink. They got a bunch of nudes, which are not just nudes for light skin tones, they're nudes for, you know, every single skin tone, really dark nudes. Ugh, beautiful. So if you guys have not tried out the Lip Bar, if you get anything, I get this lipstick. You're gonna love it. It's gonna look beautiful on everybody. I just kept seeing, I was like, I need this lipstick. They better have it in my Target. And it was the last one. I was like, getting it, and I don't regret it. So those are my favorite products for the month of June. So exciting to finally be wearing makeup again. And I don't know, some new things we've got to try out to see how to do our makeup just above the mask, how to have, I don't even think mask proof makeup is a thing. Like, I need more disposable masks for if and when I go out, because sometimes I'll forget. I'm like, I'm wearing makeup, and I was like, crap, you still gotta pick up something from the grocery store, and guess what, you gotta wear a mask. I was like, ugh. But we'll enjoy it. If anything, we'll play up the eyes a little bit. But June, not too many new products as you guys have seen, but the ones that were new were exciting, and we had to bring out some oldies, but goodies. We shall see what July brings, because I actually did purchase some new products from Ulta, so we'll see if any of those make the cut. And you know, if not, then we'll have to return them and get some other ones that we actually do like. So keep up with some videos coming your way. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can see them all, get those notifications when I upload any videos, beauty, lifestyle, and or keto. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.